Hey guys, we're here at the 2023 MATS show in Louisville, and I'm here at the ARI Sleeper Berth company here. They sell these customized trucks with ARI and Legacy sleepers, that's right?
Yeah, that's correct.
And we're going to take a tour of a couple one here. First we're going to do a Kenworth, because this is my friend Jason here.
Nice to meet you.
What dealership or what are you affiliated with?
I'm with Palmer Trucks out of Fort Wayne, Indiana.
Okay.
We sell the Kenworth brand ARI custom.
So if I want a truck with a sleeper I can take a shower, I can watch TV, have a small get-together with some friends, we can play cards and a party. You're the guy I want to come see, right?
I'm the guy.
Okay. So what's this truck you're going to show us here today?
I'm going to show you this Kenworth W900 156-inch custom sleeper.
Okay.
Bathroom, shower, full living quarters.
All right, let's go inside this bad boy and check it out.
All right.
So here's the specs on this truck. It's a 2023 Kenworth with a 156 ARI Legacy 2 sleeper and a 346-inch wheelbase, dry weight of 24,220 pounds. That's lighter than I expected. It's got an X15 Cummins, 525 horse, 18 speed. Here's the floor plan on that baby. Some interior pictures. And here's the factory apparently where they make them. So I can't wait to see the inside of this thing. We're gonna come on up in here. It's kind of like climbing up. I feel like I'm climbing into a motorhome here. I'll stand back so I can try to get everything in the picture here.
All right.
Talk a little loud.
This is the 156. This has the Corian hard surface countertops. And then we have a true induction burner. This is a single burner, but we could also do a dual burner as well. And the sink as well. Sunken countertop sink.
Nice.
Daytime and nighttime shades here, which are pretty cool.
Oh, neat.
Okay, also have the TV right here.
Lots of cabinets, which surprises me.
And then we also have the
which is
cabinets
really nice.
with plenty of storage.
And you got to pull on them so they're not going to pop open when you're driving.
Correct. Got to pull on those. Rooftop AC unit right here for all the air conditioning. And then we also have the surround sound here, bar, I guess, with your dish or direct TV.
Okay.
If you prefer. And then this is the bed that just folds.
So check this out. This isn't so you don't have to go and disassemble the table.
You just single thing.
Pull on it, and it folds down automatically.
Lay down, wake up, start making your coffee, and then you can sit right here in your dinette.
Nice.
Which is pretty cool. So you got a little reading light here if you want to read your book. Let's see here. You got an extra water tank built in here. Pull out drawers, as well as refrigerator.
Nice.
And they also have full-size fridges we can spec in here, these as well. Convection oven. And then you have your bathroom and shower right
I would have thought this was just a closet, but check this out. It's a full bathroom in here. Your shower, toilet. That's pretty neat. So, and here's a control panel?
Yep, control panel. This is for like your inverter. This is for your rooftop AC unit. This is for your fantastic fan, which is right here.
Oh, nice.
And it shoots up, and it's covered. It's like a vent cover, so you can pull air in or push it out.
All right.
Rope lights, which are right here underneath the countertop.
Stylish.
Kind of nice. And there's your bath light right there.
Okay. So then the cab is just a regular old Kenworth spec'd out day cab, right?
Extended day cab. It's got this is a manual truck, 18 speed, got full gauges, smart wheel. Leather seats, I mean, loaded up. So,
well, awesome. So
and then this folds down too. So if you got a pet or something, you don't have to worry about them falling down in here.
Ooh, nice big screen TV. That was behind me. I didn't see that.
Yeah, absolutely.
So this is what you custom spec and sell these all the time for people, right?
Yes, we do.
Is that kind of what all you do? Is
no,
custom
we do
trucks?
custom sleepers, and then I also spec out dump trucks and road tractors as well. So.
Okay, so if somebody wanted to contact you, how would they do that? What's your dealer, your phone number, email, whatever you want to give out?
We're Palmer Trucks. We're out of Fort Wayne, Indiana, and my name is Jason Lloyd, and you can call 260-341-8365.
Well, I appreciate you. We're definitely gonna take a look at this other truck too, because I hear that's something spectacular over there.
For sure.
Awesome. I'll go take a look at that one. So apparently this is the one we're after right here. 2023 Peterbilt 389 Ultra Cab. With a 168-inch ARI Legacy custom sleeper on a 356-inch wheelbase, curb weight of 28,302 pounds. This thing's got the Buffalo from the Buffalo Bills on it. He doesn't pull the Buffalo Bills team gear. He's just a really big fan. and you're gonna see a big theme throughout this truck. Apparently, I've not yet been inside, so I'm gonna be as surprised as you are. Some pictures of it here. Wait, I'm not gonna show you the inside because I've been told there's a big surprise on the inside, and I wanna see it for the first time with you guys. Let's walk around this bad boy. This thing is really something. Big old moose guard on the front. Check out those lights in the bumper, man. Check out that view from straight on. That is a whole lot of chrome. And I do know how much money they got into this truck, and let me just say, damn. This is a really cool truck, but the guy is even cooler. Talk to this guy, he is a really cool guy. We're gonna get him going with a YouTube channel. He's got something pretty cool he wants to do, and I said, you put this truck in every thumbnail and you're gonna be the biggest YouTube trucker out there. So this is pretty stylish. So let's go say hi, get an introduction, and get a tour of the inside of this thing. All right, we are here with Ron, proud owner of this truck. Tell us a little bit about it, or what possessed you to do something like this?
All right, well, I'm Ronald Brogan from Buffalo, New York originally, and I drive truck for a living, and so I'm definitely a Bills fan as well too. So you know, I'm into, if I'm going to drive on the road, I want one of these custom sleepers where comfort of home. And so this one I just had built. They just got it in January. It took about 2 years to build it, but in here I always wanted a red truck, always wanted a Peterbilt. So
I'd say you got everything you wanted.
Yeah, I can't. I might add a little bit here and there, but you know, it's a long nose Pete. It's
working truck or show
working truck, yeah. And working truck, and I do a lot of trade show was what we call it. I haul a lot of these booths to the shows.
So you all like a Kentucky trailer?
Yeah, in a Kentucky trailer, and so don't get me wrong, I'm not always doing a truck show. I do medical, I do, you know, whatever they have going into these convention centers is what I haul.
Okay.
So
well, is there any? So we're just on the outside right now. Obviously, I have not yet been inside. Is there anything finer details on the outside you want to show us? I just noticed all the tiny little plasma cut buffaloes in that exhaust.
Yeah, laser cut. We got them on both of the stack guards as well as Mafia.
Check this out, guys. Level of detail all the way up here. The buffaloes. That's really something.
Yep, we got so Bills Mafia. We're all Bills fans. The Bills Mafia, that's what they call us.
Okay, we can look past that.
Okay, and then we got a hood ornament there with the buffalo on it. You see that?
Oh wow. Okay. Yep. I see that up there on the top. I missed the buffaloes in the paint there too.
Oh yeah, we got buffaloes. The ghosts of buffalo rushing out of the motor. Yeah, we definitely have that. There's also a piece cut on the grill. That's buffaloes.
Take a quick look at that.
Of course, we have our face guard.
I was looking right at it. Didn't see it before.
Just like on a helmet, we got our guards. So
okay,
we go face first right at it. So this great detail. One thing I want to show you is so the name of this truck is called Mafia on the Move, and that's our coin saying right there. We're not affiliated with the Buffalo Bills, just a fan. Just so everyone knows.
All right, let's get on up in here. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. You gotta be kidding me. Look at this. A hot tub. A doggone hot tub in the sleeper. Not only that, but check out the ceiling in this thing. A football. Are you kidding me? Is that a window, a mirror? What do we got?
It's a mirror. Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Fireplace. Flat screen TV.
Satellite.
Satellite. What is that like?
It's just a cubby hole where all my satellite.
So this is under the bed. Okay, so the bed folds down from right there?
Yep, that'll fold down. The bed's here.
This is unbelievable. Okay, cabinets. We got cabinets up high, all the way around.
Look at the handles on the cabinets.
Buffalo handles.
And then
Starting to think you a Buffalo fan?
Buffalo Bills fan.
I was going to go out on a limb and just say.
Yeah. Check out the buttons, or Buffalo nickels.
Real buffalo nickels?
Some. I won't tell you which ones. They don't make them anymore.
I got some buffalo nickels.
Yeah.
Microwave. Big old refrigerator. So I'm assuming this is a shower?
Shower toilet. Yep, go ahead, open that up.
Oh, this is a bit. This is even bigger than the Kenworth one.
Yeah.
Check that out. I could fit in this thing. The Kenworth has a little bit like maybe I can't really fit in that one. This one, no problem.
Right.
Bunch of hooks here.
These are for my cowboy hats.
Cowboy hats. Okay.
Yeah.
Wow. So then we just got a regular old Peterbilt cab then, right?
Peterbilt's got a 605 Cummins in it,
And say,
and it's a 18 speed.
but some people
Okay.
like this
Oh wow.
save their
Well, check out the shifter
Yeah. I like the karaoke sing, so
while you're driving.
I'm driving.
Nice. I like how you party. Some pictures. So, is it just you, does your wife go with you? Do you travel alone? Dog or?
I travel alone, but she'll go on short trips with me, or if I'm going to a fun city,
Okay.
and looks like we could, it's worthwhile to stay a couple days, and we'll find some good buffalo food at maybe a Bill's Backer bar, and I'll fly her out there.
Awesome.
And usually I have my Harley. I got a rack that goes behind the sleeper.
Okay.
And my Harley will go up on that. So.
Man, this is just so cool. Thanks for sharing this with us. Everybody who watched it, you know, would say thank you for sharing this. I can't get over that. So you obviously have a large water capacity on this. What do you got for a water tank?
So I have a 100-gallon tank and a 30-gallon tank.
Okay.
And I don't run them full all the time. If I'm gonna, I usually keep about 50 gallons for a shower. If I know I'm gonna be in the hot tub, I'll fill that up. And usually me and the water is about 50 gallons. So.
Wow.
But yeah, one thing I want to add, I have a Facebook page, Mafia on the Move.
Okay, so
also
Mafia
TikTok.
on the Move on Facebook. Okay.
And on TikTok.
And on TikTok.
I'm going to be getting a YouTube channel and start doing some adventures. So follow me on that too.
Yeah, we're gonna need to see more of this.
Yeah. I'll show you where I go, some of the different places.
Yeah, so you're
Out
talking,
west.
you want to do it like a Guy Fieri type thing where you go
Yeah.
to different restaurants and stuff.
Yeah. We'll find out who's got the best wings out there.
Yeah, we're gonna love to see that.
Yeah. Cold beer, beef on whack, whatever they got.
Awesome. Well, everybody, make sure to check him out on TikTok and Facebook, and look for that YouTube page. I'm gonna share it out whenever he puts it together. Send me his first video. I'll share it out, and everybody subscribe. All right.
Yeah.
Well, thanks again. This was awesome.
Thank you. Go Bills.